Creating a Facebook ad for an event involves a few steps to effectively reach and engage your target audience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create a Facebook ad for your event. 1. Access Facebook Ads Manager. Log into your Facebook account and navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. If you don't have a business account, you can create one to access the Ads Manager. 2. Click on Create to start a new campaign. In Ads Manager, click on the Create button to start a new ad campaign. 3. Choose Campaign Objective. Select the campaign objective that aligns with your goal for the event. For events, the reach or traffic objectives are often suitable. If you want to drive event responses, select the Event Responses objective. 4. Configure Ad Set. In the Ad Set level, configure the following. Audience. Define your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Consider targeting people who are likely to be interested in events similar to yours. Placements. Choose where your ad will appear. For event promotion, consider using automatic placements to reach users on Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, and Messenger. 5. Set budget and schedule. Define your budget and schedule for the ad campaign. Decide whether you want to set a daily budget or a lifetime budget. Set the duration of the campaign based on your event date. 6. Create ad creative. Design visually appealing and engaging ad creative. Consider including the following elements. Ad copy. Write compelling ad copy that provides details about your event, highlights key benefits, and includes a clear call to action, e.g., RSVP now. Event image or video. Use high-quality visuals that showcase the event venue, speakers, or activities. If it's a recurring event, consider using images from previous events. 7. Include event details. Ensure that your ad copy includes essential event details such as the date, time, location, and a brief description. Make it clear why users should attend and what they can expect. 8. Utilize the Events option. When creating your ad, you'll have the option to link to a Facebook event page. If you've already created an event on Facebook, connect your ad to that event. This allows users to directly respond and engage with your event page. 9. Add a call to action button. Include a relevant call to action, CTA, button on your ad, such as Get Tickets, Learn More, or RSVP. The CTA button directs users to take the desired action. 10. Preview your ad. Use the preview feature to see how your ad will appear on different devices. Ensure that your ad looks compelling on both desktop and mobile. 11. Review and confirm. Review all the details of your ad, including targeting, budget, and creative elements. Once you're satisfied, click on Confirm to launch your ad campaign. 12. Monitor performance. Regularly check the performance of your ad in Facebook Ads Manager. Monitor metrics such as reach, engagement, and event responses. Use the data to make adjustments as needed. 13. Engage with users. Respond to comments and messages on your ad. Engage with users who show interest or ask questions about the event. Building a community around your event can enhance its success. 14. Consider event-specific features. If your event is ticketed, consider utilizing Facebook's ticketing features. You can sell tickets directly through Facebook by integrating a ticketing platform. 15. Use video content. If applicable, consider using video content to promote your event. Video ads can be highly engaging and provide a preview of what attendees can expect. 16. Utilize carousel ads. Carousel ads allow you to showcase multiple aspects of your event in a single ad. Use this format to feature different speakers, sessions, or activities. 17. Retarget interested users. Create custom audiences based on users who engaged with your event ad. Retarget this audience with follow-up ads, reminders, or additional event details. 18. Promote early bird offers or discounts. If applicable, consider promoting early bird offers or discounts to encourage users to register or RSVP early. 19. Coordinate with Facebook event page. Ensure that the information on your Facebook ad aligns with the details on your Facebook event page. Consistency across platforms builds credibility. 20. Monitor ad frequency. Keep an eye on the frequency of your ad to prevent ad fatigue. If users see the same ad too frequently, it may lead to decreased engagement. Consider refreshing your ad creative if needed. By following these steps, you can create an effective Facebook ad campaign to promote your event and attract a relevant and engaged audience. Regularly monitor performance metrics and make adjustments to optimize your campaign for better results. So that's it. See you in the next videos.